This is the task builder, where you create the step-by-step recipe the bot follows. A task is simply a list of steps that run in order. You add steps from a large catalog, covering everything a real user would do. Open a URL or pull the next link from your pool, search a platform, click, double-click, hover, type at human speed. Press keys, scroll, switch tabs, wait for elements, handle pop-ups, and even solve captchas. Each step has its own settings. For a click or a type, you give it a selector, a CSS, or XPath target. And the builder shows a helpful hint explaining exactly what that step expects. You can even paste raw HTML, and it will pull out the most reliable selector for you. For sites that are tricky to target by code, you can attach an image of the element, so the bot finds it visually on screen. There are no loops to manage here. The browser simply stays open and keeps going, and the task runner controls how long it runs. When your flow is ready, save it, and it's instantly available to run in the task runner.